2 bloody gills. Come on, guys. Try and go past you, hopefully. You guys just stay over here. Coming through here.
Hey, welcome to Cod Open.
You got something behind your eyes, the way you're talking, it's a cheap disguise. We were made to chase the light, but you got saved on a moonless night. Get free tonight, set it all on fire.
Oh, I'm on. Yes. Yes. Yep. Yeah, it's a cod. Yes. Oh, I'm on. Yes. Yes.
Oh, really?
Yep. Yeah, it's a cod.
Fucking ripper.
Yes.
Fucking first cast at the new spot. Get the net.
Get the net. I think it's a net. Is it a cod or is it yellow?
Cod.
Oh, yes.
First cod for Lee.
That was on the drop too, was it?
Yeah. As soon as it went boom, I felt it, so. Yes. Hook came out too.
Oh!
Oh, how lucky is that? That's a good size.
Yes.
That's a nice little cod.
Ripper.
High five.
Oh, dude.
Nice work.
Yes.
See, if I don't come for nothing, I might as well just use the net.
Where did I put
That's
my go?
so cool. All right, peoples. Very first Murray cod. That is so fucking awesome. I'm sorry for the language, but I just don't care. Look at the gob on him. That is so cool. What a pretty fish. Hello. This has been months in the making. We had some massive sessions in winter trying to catch some of these in Eildon and that. Obviously Eildon doesn't give up his fish very easily. But down at the lower ovens for cod opening, you beauty. That's so cool. Don't know if you'll get much vision of it. Here we go. Give you back into your bath there, buddy. Come on.
Did you measure it?
Should I measure it? As I say, it goes poof, gone.
Like, no.
Rightio, rain's coming in. We're just packing up. Mark's got the boat on the trailer. Gerry's finished up packing his tent up and all that stuff. Or tent, I should say swag. We don't do tents anymore, I've heard. Yeah, super stoked to get that first cod. Absolutely mint. Very happy. Don't forget to leave comments on if you wish. Also, drop a like on it, subscribe if you haven't already. Just keep flicking.